So when we talk about the stop loss and take profit, what do we mean? Now, stop loss is designed to let your broker know how much you are willing to risk with your trade, and the take profit does the exact opposite. It's designed to tell your broker how much you are willing to make as profit with your trade. Okay, so all these are features in your trading platform, and whenever you are trying to enter an order, that's whenever you're trying to either buy or sell a currency pair, you are given the opportunity to insert your stop loss levels and your take profits levels, and you can actually modify them. Now, these are very important features. We're going to be using them very much in later times, in later lessons, and especially the stop loss in the lesson on risk management. Okay, we're going to be learning more about the stop loss. Now, the stop loss level, for example, allows you to ascertain the amount of risk you are willing to take for that trade, that the amount of exposure you are willing to have on your account. Now, when you have your stop loss level known, you will then be able to know what lot size you have to take to be able to risk the exact percentage you are willing to risk. So let's assume my strategy tells me to risk a percentage of 2% per trade. So I'm risking 2% of my total deposit per trade. Now, with my stop loss level, I'll be able to understand how many, what lot size I will have to use to be able to risk 2%. Okay, remember, we spoke about the pip value, we spoke about lots, we spoke about pips. Okay, and remember, the value of your pip is dependent on your lots, and the profit or loss you make is actually dependent on your lot and the pips you make. Okay, depending on your loss and the pips you make. So now, if I'm going to be using my stop loss, I will be defining the amount of pips I am willing to lose. So that will directly affect my lot sizing. That will directly affect my lot size. The same thing with my take profit. So my take profit is just a target for how much I am willing to make for that particular trade. Okay, so that's the idea for stop loss and take profit. So let me just use trading view again for example, and let me just create line. Sorry. So as you can see, this is our current price. Our current price is 1.20662. Okay. Now we have this horizontal line here, and we have this other horizontal line here. So now let's assume I am selling this market, or let's say I am selling GBP USD right now. If I enter a sell trade right now, my stop loss will have to be at this point. That means my stop loss will have to be above my entry price, and my take profit will have to be below my entry price, because I am trying to see that I think the market is going to keep selling, okay, for a sell. So my stop loss will have to be here so that I am stopped out if in case the market refuses to go in my direction and continues going up. This is very important. Okay, stop loss is very important if you must be a consistently profitable trader. Now, the take profit level will actually be here, because we are telling the market that if it continues to go as I've predicted, that's if it continues to sell, I want to be taken out at this point in profit. Okay, so coming to this our trading platform. Let's assume we want to enter a trade. I'm going to go through the trading platforms with you. So this is just for you to see what I mean by the stop loss levels and the take profit levels. Okay, so let's assume I want to enter a trade. Let's assume I want to buy or sell. So let's assume I want to buy. I'll have to have my stop loss below and have my take profit above. Okay, so I will just have to copy the price level of my stop loss level. Remember, this is my stop loss level, and then place it here and then paste it here. Okay, remember it's 160.05 0.165. Now you can see 160.165. All I did was get the properties of the line and then copied the value and pasted it. And same thing for my take profit level. And when I do it like this and then I buy, okay, then I just buy. Okay, let me just buy. So as you can see, I bought, and now we have my stop loss here and my take profit here. So I'm just going to close this trade. So this is just for you to understand. Okay. So that's it for stop loss and take profit. So your broker has the responsibility to close your trade once your stop loss or take profit is hit. Okay, because your broker is responsible for the trading platform. So your broker connects you directly to the market. So your broker is responsible to open your trades and also to close your trades when your stop loss or take profit levels are hit. So that will be it for this lecture on stop loss and take profit. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.